Hello YouTube. Ta-da! We have some technical difficulties here with our filming quite a bit, and just flat out didn't have some time to do it. So there she is, the Barco, completely finished. I've taken every single part apart, cleaned up the rust, lubed it up, put it back together. We honed the cylinder out. Rebuilt the igniter, used the original cloth wiring. All I did more or less was shorten them up a little bit. Everything's running fine, except for I was having a little issues with this buzz coil a while ago, and we got that working now too. So we're gonna give her one more shot here, see if we can't keep it running, because she gave us a couple of pops.
Give it the juice.
A little bit. All right. Okay, let's spit her a little gas on her. Give her a little kickstart. That's a hell of a kickstart. Okay. Come on, baby. Woo! I'm still ain't feeding off my own fuel. Huh. Let me pull this jet out again. Man, that's a heavy motherfucker, too, I tell you.
If you're filming right now, you might want to turn it off.
Yeah.
You want to start cussing and shit.
You gotta have the realness of the situation here. Look at me. Huffing and a puffing, cussing and a sweating.
Cut it over the one right here. Back here.
Spitting and a sputtering. Let's see here. Let's see, what do we got here? Oh, yeah, we got some goop again, that's what we got. Huh. Bunch of goopy oil, all the oil's like it settles to the bottom. Oh, how the hell they want you to really mix this shit up? There it goes. Okay, now we got some gasoline coming through there. Come on, old boy. There we go, old girl. There we go. Okay, let's give that a shot right there. That's pretty fucking damn cool. Can't seem to pick up enough fuel. Okay. Oh. Shit leaking here now or what? What do we got going on there? No? Spring. Well, oh, there goes our gasoline in the styrofoam cup. Ooh. Let's make us a little breather. A little gasoline sponge here. All right, here goes. Still ain't getting enough fuel somehow or another. It's getting a lot fucking running a lot more though. Wanting to keep going, you know. Let's give her another shot like this. Woo! Felt the buzz coil in this arm out of that one from a sweat. All right. We'll take a little breather here and figure this shit out. Oh, Mr.